Are we heading towards unprecedented market highs, or is AI putting your privacy at risk? Discover expert predictions about the S&P 500 reaching 9,000 points and the game-changing implications of AI's next leap. Join us to understand the key financial opportunities and risks that await you. Today on Financial News in Review, we will summarize the following videos. From Adam Taggart, Thoughtful Money, we have Sven Henrich. Could the S&P really hit 9,000 in the next few years? From Kitco News, we have Is Your Data Safe? AI's next leap puts privacy at risk. Jiahao Sun. Welcome to Thoughtful Money, a YouTube channel dedicated to providing deep dives into financial trends and market analysis. Today, host Adam Taggart engages with renowned technical analyst Sven Henrich, founder and publisher of Northman Trader. Sven is known for his insightful and often predictive technical analysis, which helps traders make informed decisions. While Sven is an objective analyst, it's important to note that his primary bias leans towards caution in an often unpredictable market. The video centers around the bold assertion that the S&P 500 could potentially reach 9,000 points within the next few years. Sven Henrich argues that current market dynamics, supported by technical data and historical trends, create a scenario where this optimistic target is not only possible, but plausible. He bases this prediction on several technical patterns, market structures, and the impact of macroeconomic factors, particularly the roles of central banks and fiscal policies. Here are the key points discussed by Sven Henrich. Topic: Bifurcation in markets and economy. Sven emphasizes a growing bifurcation in the market, economy, and society. This includes discrepancies in market performances, differing monetary policies, and wider socioeconomic divides. He highlights that the current market rally is primarily driven by a few mega-cap tech stocks, which overshadows weaker performances in other sectors. Evidence includes charts showing concentration in market gains attributable to a handful of companies and diminished breadth of market participation. Topic: Market technicals and patterns. Henrich demonstrates how patterns like cup and handle formations and historical cyclical trends support the S&P potentially reaching 9,000 in the future. He notes that significant technical indicators, such as trend lines and the position of the Bollinger Bands, have been consistent in forecasting market movements. Topic: Impact of liquidity and fiscal policies. Henrich argues that global liquidity and aggressive fiscal policies are key drivers of the current market conditions. He discusses the role of the Federal Reserve and other central banks in maintaining market liquidity and hints at potential implications of their policies on future market trends. Sven Henrich made the following predictions. Prediction: S&P 500 reaching 9,000. Sven Henrich predicts that the S&P 500 could hit 9,000 points by 2028 based on extended technical trends and cyclical market behaviors. This prediction is grounded in the idea that market momentum, supported by significant fiscal and monetary policies, will continue to drive asset prices higher. Prediction: Potential market corrections. Henrich warns of possible corrections driven by overbought conditions in the dominant tech sector. He indicates these corrections could be triggered by changes in liquidity conditions or fiscal policies. Sven Henrich wraps up by underscoring the need for vigilance and technical analysis in navigating current market conditions. While his prediction for the S&P 500 reaching 9,000 points is optimistic, he also cautions about potential market corrections driven by concentrated risk in a few megacap stocks. Henrich calls for a balanced investment strategy that considers both technical indicators and broader economic trends. Welcome to Kitco News. In today's episode, host Jeremy Safford explores the paramount concerns and opportunities surrounding artificial intelligence in 2024. Our guest is Jiahao Sun, an Oxford alumnus and former director of AI at RBC, who now leads Flock.ai as CEO. Sun, a specialist in privacy-centered AI designs and decentralized AI training, joins the discussion to shed light on AI's advancement and the significant implications for privacy and investors. The core thesis of the video centers on the rapid advancements and complex challenges within the AI industry, highlighting major developments like NVIDIA's new B200 AI chip and Apple's integration of ChatGPT into iOS 18. Sun contends that while AI's growth presents vast potential, Creating substantial investor opportunities, it also brings critical privacy concerns and ethical dilemmas that need to be carefully managed. Here are the key points discussed by Jiahao Sun. Topic: Major technological advances. NVIDIA unveiled the B200 AI chip, pointing to their leadership in the AI sector. This chip caters to large-scale AI projects. Apple's partnership with OpenAI integrates ChatGPT features directly into iPhones with iOS 18, highlighting AI's growing influence on consumer devices. Topic: Rapid AI adoption and consumer impact. The fast-paced deployment of AI technologies like ChatGPT emphasizes how natural language processing affects everyday users by simplifying interactions. The collaboration between AI and consumer electronics makes advanced AI tools more accessible, further accelerating public adoption. Topic: Privacy and ethical challenges. Sun warns about AI hallucinations, where AI systems act beyond expected boundaries due to incomplete or biased training data. To fully train AI models, substantial amounts of personal data might be required, raising significant privacy concerns. Topic: Industry and investment trends. Significant mergers and acquisitions within the AI sector, such as IBM acquiring APO for $4.6 billion and Microsoft purchasing Nuance Communications, indicate a trend toward consolidation. AI infrastructure companies and providers of picks and shovels, like NVIDIA and other startups focused on decentralized compute and data storage, are critical investment avenues. Jiahao Sun made the following predictions. Prediction: Privacy-centered AI modalities. Companies will increasingly focus on including privacy respects in their AI models to counterbalance the need for vast personal data in AI training. Prediction: Rise of multimodal AI. Future AI systems will enhance their capabilities by integrating multiple data forms such as text, video, and audio, leading to more adaptable and capable AI solutions. Prediction: Growth in niche AI markets. Startups focusing on specialized AI solutions for targeted industries, such as healthcare or finance, will drive innovation and potentially become acquisition targets for larger tech firms. Jiahao Sun concludes by emphasizing the importance of balancing AI innovation with ethical considerations to protect user privacy. He encourages investment in companies providing AI infrastructure and niche market solutions. Sun also highlights the emerging trends in multimodal AI as transformative for the industry. He leaves viewers with a call to stay informed and consider carefully how AI can both aid and pose risks to modern society. In summary, Sven Henrich provides a cautiously optimistic view on the S&P 500 potentially hitting 9,000, emphasizing the influence of technical patterns and fiscal policies, while also warning of possible corrections due to tech sector overbought conditions. On the AI front, Jiahao Sun highlights the rapid advancements and significant privacy concerns, urging investment in privacy-centered AI and niche AI markets. Both videos underscore the importance of balancing innovation with vigilance, whether in market investments or AI ethics. Thanks for watching Financial News and Review for Sunday, June 16th, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see, drop a comment below. See you next time.